Hi guys, welcome to Celeb Gossip Entertainment, where we bring you the tea each and every day. Now guys, do you guys still remember this couple? They used to be a power couple, Ufortune and Simphiwe. You know, they had a YouTube channel and they also had a TikTok account, which I'm not sure if it's still there or maybe they deleted it. But one thing I can tell you guys, the YouTube channel is still up. And I was just scrolling on YouTube, then I see how this is their channel, Moss. This is Simphiwe and Fortune's channel, and it was not deleted. And this channel was monetized. So like I'm confused with this was Fortune's channel, the name of the channel, it was just Fortune. So I'm confused because this channel is still up and running. Who is collecting the moolah for this channel? Is Fortune collecting the money from the videos that he did with his ex? Hey Nina. And I'm not even sure Simphiwe knows this. The channel is still up. I'm not sure. But guys, Fortune's channel is still up. But they are no longer posting, obviously, because they are not together anymore. But the channel is still up, the channel is monetized, the channel is still getting views. Because one thing about YouTube, even if you stop posting, you are still going to get paid, because people will watch your old videos. They will watch, and then you will get paid each and every month. As long as people are still watching your channel, you will get paid even if you are not posting. You know, so I'm confused with how guy, why didn't he just delete all of those videos and then start his channel afresh? Why are you monetizing ngomunye umntwana? Is it for the sake of ngwana? Or na Simphiwe mhlambe they had an agreement ukuthi when they get the money mhlambe bazoshare? I'm confused guys. Or is it for the sake of ngwana? But nje mina personally, if it was me, I wouldn't agree for someone to keep on making money ngama videos like la khona mina khona, and worst part we broke up. I wouldn't agree, Sham. I wouldn't agree nje. This channel nje, I wouldn't agree ukuthi umuntu aqhubeke with this channel to get money with videos that he did with me. Awa, scam, less scam, unless it's for the sake of ngwana. Okay, then we never know. Or maybe Simphiwe does not have a problem with this and she is okay with it. She doesn't mind Fortune getting the money for this channel. Then it is what it is. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe, please like this video. I'll see you on my next one. Bye.